Hey you guys, what's up? So today we're going to be creating this look right here on my eyes using the Profusion Desert Sage palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. Okay, so the first shade we are starting out with is called Wild. It is this deep navy blue, and I'm just kind of sketching out the shape of what I want the shadow to be on the outer corner. Now we are taking the shade Serene, and I'm just kind of blending the top of that up a bit. Going in with Sage and just blending some more. And then to finish off this outer blend, we are using Free Spirit. Now I'm just going back in with Wild and filling in that outer V. And then just taking a little bit of Serene again and blending that towards the front of my eye. Now I'm going in with Mojave, and this is a really pretty shimmery metallic fuchsia, and I'm just placing that right on the center of the lid, and we're going to leave a spot towards the front of the eye for another color. Now we're taking Wanderlust, and that's going to go towards the front of the eye. I'm taking a little bit of Bloom, and we're going to place this towards the front of the eye, right underneath the front of the brow. And then we're going to go in with a little bit of Succulent, and I'm just going to place this on that empty space where we don't have any color yet. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Joshua Tree just to help that blend out a little bit better. Now I'm going in with Oasis, and I'm just going to place this right on top of Mojave and Serene, just to kind of let those colors blend a little better as well. I'm taking the Urban Decay Shadow Stick in the shade Chaos and just lining my waterline with this. And then we're going to take all of those same colors and put them on our lower lash line area. The only difference is I am reversing the application process. So instead of those blues, greens, and yellows going towards the back of the eye, we're going to put them at the front, and then the pinks will go towards the back of the eye. Now I'm applying a little bit of mascara. This is Thebriabeauty's The Big Bang Mascara, and I love this mascara because the applicator is made out of recycled ocean plastics. Next, we're taking the middle shade in that palette called Rare, and it is a beautiful glitter, you guys. I've already hit pan on it because I use it so much. And I'm just placing that towards the front of the eye. And it's time for a little bit of graphic liner. I'm using Lauren Conrad Beauty, the eyeliner pen, and just kind of winging this out, and yeah, just kind of letting my hand take me where it wants to go. And then we're gonna fill in that open space with that same beautiful glitter in the palette. I'm also taking Romantic Beauty's Pearl Eyeliner and just kind of underlining that black a bit just to give it a little bit of oomph.
Yeah, baby, I like the way you suit. I love the dirty looks that you slip beneath my skin. Baby, I hope you're just as naughty by the time that the morning begins. And we are just lonely people living our lives in love. Maybe it was you, maybe it was me.
Applying some Bepalin lashes. You like that hair, you guys? And that is the final look. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.